In response to COVID-19 outbreak, BLF adopted its programming to support Rwanda Education Board in ensuring that learning can continue from home. It's in this context that we adopted remote learning through scripting and developing and broadcasting P1 to P3 English and mathematics lessons. Since mid-March this year, BLF collaborated with Rwanda Education Board to develop more than 60 mathematics and English radio lessons for P1 to P3 pupils. One lesson per grade and per subject is broadcasted at the national radio every week. Lessons are also rebroadcasted across 60 private radio stations that are working here in the country. In our lessons, pupils are encouraged to collect some materials to use in the radio lessons ahead of time. During the lessons on the radio, they are given opportunity to do some activities, some practical activities during pauses that we put in the middle of the lesson. For example, singing a song, playing a game with their parents, or completing an activity in their notebooks. And the parents and caregivers are encouraged to join in and support their learners, especially in the practical activities during pauses. From July this year, we kind of thought that we can't continue like this developing the lessons ourselves. We thought about empowering P1 to P3 teachers to be able to continue developing these lessons in collaboration with REB. So we organized a workshop with 6 teachers, 3 for mathematics, 3 for English, to be able to develop this script and also follow up the recording, checking if the lessons are well recorded or before broadcasting. And in this context, REB and BLF, we are only playing quality assurance role to ensure that the lessons are well developed and that they are ready to be broadcasted. BLF collaborated with USAID Soma Umenye to collect weekly monitoring data of these radio lessons activities. This has provided REB with very important data on how the parents and the learners are following these radio programs. From May, BLF collaborated with USAID Soma Umenye to collect feedback and monitoring data on these radio activities. We used to call different parents to see how they are supporting their learners and how they are listening to these radio lessons, and the graph is showing how this was done up to the end of August. Apart from this monitoring data, we managed to correct some challenges that are related to the use of radio in learning, and these include things like the radio lessons happen when the parents are not at home. Maybe they are in farming, maybe they are in other business, and the kids forget to listen to the radio lessons. Or some parents don't have radio. That is also another issue that was mentioned many times. And some other parents were not aware on the radio lessons program where the lessons will pass on the radio. And they were also, some parents were also not aware that the radio lessons are just there. Some parents, few of them. On the other side, parents have some suggestions for these lessons to be improved and really to be helpful for their children. First, the textbooks and the other materials that normally support learning from school, they are kept at school and the learners can't access them when they are learning from home. So some parents are just suggesting that the teachers can facilitate them to have access to those books so that their kids can continue learning from home. And some parents suggested that these radio lessons, the time can be changed so that they can be able to join in when they are not very busy, especially like in the morning when they are in the farming activities. Also, parents suggested that the lessons can be made more attractive and more interesting, especially providing the children time to ask questions. We normally give pauses for practical activities, but there is no time to ask questions directly, so that was a suggestion from the parents. Another one is about they are worried about the understanding of English, especially in the English lessons. Their kids are really very struggling to get what the teachers is saying, and some parents really don't have enough level of English to be able to support the learners, so that issue is also there. And another one is about to make them more interesting. If there is any other way that these lessons can be made more interesting for the learners to keep motivation, that would be great. Based on the feedback and suggestions we got from parents, we are suggesting this as a list of things that can be considered for future radio lessons development. The first one is that REB consider to change the broadcasting time, especially put it in the afternoon or in the evening time when the parents are available to support their children in learning. We would also advise REB to consider to see how additional learning materials can be provided to students who are learning from home to be able to really interact with the materials as they are learning. We request REB to consider adopting a language supportive approach to English lessons to help children follow the lessons, and the parents who have little English to be able to join in and support their children. We would also recommend to increase the break time, as the parents suggested, for them to have enough time to practice with their learners as the radio lessons are passing on radio. And another one is related to the motivation that the parents suggested. So we recommend that the lessons in the future can consider more songs, more games, and more other practical activities that the learners can do as they learn, because they keep motivation for the learners and they learn when they are very, very happy. So that was the work we have been doing in terms of remote learning and support the learners who have to continue learning from home. So on the other side, we also ensured that the teachers don't just sleep without doing anything in terms of their professional development continuously. So we also changed our programming a little bit, and we made it online and remotely. So our field staff continue supporting the teachers, also continuing their CPD activities, including self-study, including communities of practice, and the group meetings with them, but everything is done online or remotely through phone calls and one-to-one meetings, group meetings, depending on what they are focusing on in that particular activity. So we hope that by the beginning of the school year, our teachers will have refreshed their minds and that they will be ready to continue right away without really being affected a lot with the COVID-19 consequences. Before I conclude, I would like to invite you to watch this very short video about Teacher Josiane, who have been involved in the development of the radio lessons that were broadcasted from March this year, and who also got some support remotely from our field staff in terms of her professional development. She'll be sharing what she has been doing and how she benefited from it up to now. So thank you very much for your kind attention.
Nitwa Ingabire Josiane, ndi umwarimu mu mashuri abanza mu kigo cya Remera Catholique, nigisha imibare. Mu kwezi kwa gatatu nibwo REB yashyizeho gahunda yo gutanga amasomo biciye ku maradiyo atandukanye. Kuva icyo gihe nyine nibwo natangiye gutanga amasomo kuri radiyo.
Muraho neza nshuti zanjye, ni Josiane umwarimu wanyu w'imibare mu cyiciro cya mbere cy'amashuri abanza.
Bana twigane guhindura ingero z'uburebure, kilometero imwe ni hegitometero 10.
Kwigisha kuri radiyo umunsi wa mbere kubera byari bishya, ni gahunda yari ibaye nshya yari igiyeho. Urumva umunsi wa mbere ntabwo umuntu wari wabyumva neza, biteye n'ubwoba, ariko ku isomo rya mbere ayakurikiyeho nahise mbyumva neza, numva nta kibazo. Ubutumwa naha abarimu bagenzi banjye muri iki gihe amashuri afunze ni uko atari igihe cyo kwicara, ahubwo ni igihe bagakoresheje umwanya wabo basoma nk'ibi bitabo. Ibi ni ibitabo gikubiyemo uburyo ni inyoborabarezi y'imibare. Harimo uburyo twakora izi mfashanyigisho, ari nk'utu dupfundikizo. Utu ni udupfundikizo tw'amacupa nafashe dukoramo. Ibi ni ibikarito naciye ukaba wabikoresha mu rwego rwo gukora amakarita. Hari uducupa, utu ni uducupa natwo tuboneka, ntabwo dusaba kutugura, natwo wakoramo imfashanyigisho. Ahangaha nakoresheje ibitenge, uduce tw'udutenge abatayeri baca. Ya mifuka tubona ivamo umuceri, ivamo isukari, umuntu akawujugunya. Uyu nawo umuntu arawufata akaba yakoreraho imfashanyigisho. Ubutumwa naha ababyeyi n'abanyeshuri ni ugukomeza, ababyeyi ni ugukomeza gufasha abana kwiga igihe icyo ari cyo cyose, n'abana nabo bakumva ko kwiga bitagarukira ku ishuri gusa, no mu rugo akanya abonye kose yakwiga.